This episode 2 features a brainstorming session by the TMT team to demo the versatility and dynamism of the Portfolio app and the dramatic impact on the ranking from changes in individual judgments. The first scenario is a ban by Xi Jinping of Microsoft's products and services in China as a result of new U.S. arms sales to Taiwan, similar to the ban of Google in 2010, including its search engine, email service, maps, and YouTube. Xi's objective is serious, yet incremental retaliation against the U.S., rather than all-out economic war, thus preserving Apple's iPhone supply chain, which supports millions of jobs in China. The analyst operating the model goes to the one-pager for Microsoft. Portfolio manager tells the analyst, change the risk to competition in China. Change the score from plus 40 to minus 13, ranking from first to third, and the rescale score from plus 100 to plus 33 for 67% difference. Let's look at the impact. So here's Microsoft, previously first at 100% score, now third, weighted score of 20, rescale score of 33. The qualitative weighted score going from 55 to 2, and the rescale score from plus 70 to 5. Re-rank, NVIDIA first, Intel second, Microsoft third, Tesla fourth, and Apple fifth. Now let's do the opposite reversal for Apple. Apple's fifth, minus 100, minus 13 common risk score. Change the risk from competition in China to none. The rank goes from fifth to second. Overall rescale score of plus 74 from minus 100. Update the ranking. NVIDIA first, Apple second, Intel third, Microsoft fourth, and Tesla last. Apple's overall score is 45% weighted, 74% rescaled. Quant rank remains the same at fourth. Here you see the big difference, the none of the risk. X factor is the same. And the qualitative rescale score goes from minus 100 to plus 40 for a 140-point difference. There is an obvious inconsistency between Apple's none of the risk, including China, and the triple minus catalyst based on the previously projected supply chain risk for the iPhone in China. The analyst thus goes to the Apple page to update the catalyst based on the just announced support by the Chinese for the iPhone supply chain. Checks a rank of second and a score of plus 74. First update is to add a single plus behind the iPhone 15 to indicate the change in the catalyst to a positive. Next, the team what ifs the triple minus symbol and minus 100% score. Everyone can see the rank and the score change in real time with movements in the scroll bar. This enables the team to compare their gut intuition for Apple's ranking and score with their ThinkSheet ranking and score in real time. The analyst scrolls to the double minus, which changes a pre-weighted score to a minus 67, the weighted score to a minus 10, and moves the rescale score up 25 points to 99%. The single plus moves Apple's rank to first and the rescale score to 100%. Now the analyst goes back to the portfolio page to see the impact on the weighted scores and the rescale scores. Apple is now first with 100% score, 23% rescale spread to NVIDIA, and 200% to Tesla. Let's look at the rescale spreads over here. 65 to 37, Apple to NVIDIA for a 28% spread. And 135 to Tesla. Why two sets of scores? They enable the team to simultaneously compare each stock to an outside benchmark like the NASDAQ using the weighted scores and to the stocks in the portfolio using the rescale scores. The portfolio manager is an Apple bull and directs the analyst to move the catalyst to double plus and tell everyone the result. The rescale score doesn't change, but the spread does. The Apple spread to NVIDIA is now 66 points, and the qualitative spread is 53.